What's up, YouTube world? I'm Jimmy. This is my channel, and this morning we're gonna do first time bacon cheese egg omelet on the Blackstone. So stick around. If you got any kind of suggestions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell so you get all of our notifications on all the videos we put out. We try to do 1 to 2 videos a week. So stick around and let me know how you think we're doing, and I'll show you the cooking. So that's our ingredients. We got our eggs, got our bacon chopped up, and we're gonna go with some Colby Jack cheese. So let's go out here and fire up the Blackstone, get it warmed up, and I'll show you how we're gonna cook it up. All right, let's see. We're at 190 degrees. We're almost there. 170, 180, 214. Over here, we're still 179. You can see the bacon starting to cook. Let me bring you in on a slow-mo. Hang on. That bacon just sizzling away. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to cook these 4 pieces of bacon up. Oh, did you see that? It shrunk. We're going to cook them 4 pieces of bacon up real quick. Turn our temperature down a little bit. We're going to throw the pieces of bacon on, get them almost cooked, and then we'll put our eggs down. I'm going to do one at a time on the eggs because I like a little bit of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning in my eggs. So I got to make a separate omelet for me so that the kids don't get the spice in them. Right. Put that bacon down there real quick. Get it spread out. Let that cook down. Got the coffee cup for this morning. Woo-wee. The bacon just want to stick to that spatula like crazy. So I guess if you're watching this video, you probably already have a Blackstone griddle, or you're getting the notifications and you're thinking about one because you see all of my videos cooking on the Blackstone. So I want one of those tabletops that goes around this one. I need a little bit more space to cook with, so let me know in the comments whether you have one or if you know somebody has one. I'd like to know if they really work, if they're stable. I don't want something that's real shaky. We got a 80-pound dog that likes to come out here and hang out with me and eat whenever she sees food on the griddle. So I don't want her to bump into a shelf and it fall off the back of the griddle when I'm in the middle of cooking. See, watch this. See if you can hear how fast she comes. Mar! There she is. Her likes it. Her likes the bacon. She loves to come out here and watch me cook. She thinks she's gonna get something every time. Well, she normally does get something every time. She's rotten. Crisp that bacon up real good so that it's got a crunch inside the omelet. That's the plan anyways. Today's another first video of stuff we're cooking on the griddle. Go ahead and turn that heat down a little bit so it don't burn the eggs so fast. To get that thing set up real quick. Try to get them pieces of bacon to where they ain't sticking together from being thrown on top of each other on that plate earlier. Get them to crisp up. So that bacon's starting to crisp up now. You can see it starting to change colors on us. So when it starts to do that, we're just going to start moving it around, make sure it don't stick. Because even though we got that bacon grease all over that griddle top, you can see it falling off the spatula. See that? Look at that. That bacon will still stick to that top. I don't have no explanation for it, but it does. And get that bacon good and cooked up crisp. We're going to set it right here in the corner that's not on. And we're going to pour our eggs down here. It's almost showtime, folks. About to put the eggs down there. We're going to get it good and cooked. And we're going to try to make it into an omelet. We're going to try. Alright. Let's move that bacon all the way over here. It'll still stay warm. That top is still, let's see. Push this back all the way in that back far corner. Get some of that grease back there. All right. Let's give it a shot. Yes, sir.
Yeah, and eggs. And eggs. That's eggs.
And we're going to sprinkle a little bit of cheese on it. And then we're going to give it some bacon. Let it cook for just a second.
It's good.
Go away. We'll be cooking or bringing you some food here in just a minute. That didn't do too bad. Let's put some little bit of oil down. But yeah, that's it. Right there. That's cheese and bacon omelet. Look at that. Man, that looks so good. I don't even know if the camera does justice. Let's see. Look at that. It's gonna be good. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave comments, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you next time.